Imagine editing an entire YouTube video without spending hours cutting clips, without manually adding subtitles, without removing background noise, without searching endlessly for effects. What if artificial intelligence could help you edit videos in minutes instead of hours? Welcome to CapCut AI, one of the world's most popular AI-powered video editing platforms. Millions of YouTubers, Instagram creators, TikTok creators, businesses, teachers, and marketers use CapCut every day. But today, CapCut is much more than a simple video editor. With AI-powered features, it helps creators produce professional videos faster than ever before. So, what is CapCut AI? How does it work? Which AI features are actually useful? And how can beginners create amazing videos? Let's find out. CapCut AI is a collection of AI-powered editing tools within CapCut. These include editing assistance, subtitles, background removal, audio enhancement, and more depending on your version. The goal? Simplify video production so you can focus on creativity. Traditional video editing takes hours, cutting clips, adding transitions, writing captions, editing audio, applying effects, exporting videos. CapCut combines an easy editor with AI tools that speed up all these repetitive tasks, saving you precious time. Auto captions boost accessibility and help viewers who watch without sound. CapCut generates subtitles in many languages automatically while letting you review and tweak them. Always proofread captions, accuracy matters for engagement. Background removal usually needs advanced skills, but CapCut AI simplifies it. Separate your subject from the background in seconds, perfect for tutorials or promos. Just remember to check fine details, like hair, to keep your visuals sharp and professional. Audio quality can make or break your video. Poor sound drives viewers away. CapCut's AI audio enhancement reduces noise and boosts clarity, though a good mic in quiet rooms still help a lot. Clear audio keeps people hooked. Don't want to record your voice? No worries. CapCut's AI text-to-speech creates natural narration for your videos. Choose a voice that fits your style and audience, then double-check pronunciation to keep it professional and engaging. AI script assistance helps brainstorm ideas, outline, and draft your video scripts. It jumpstarts your content creation, but your unique creativity is what makes your video shine. Use AI as a tool, not a crutch. CapCut is loved by YouTube creators, from shorts to long videos, tutorials, reactions, travel vlogs, and reviews. The AI features save tons of editing time, so you focus on storytelling that keeps your audience glued to the screen. Businesses use CapCut for ads, training, product launches, and social campaigns. AI tools speed up production and maintain branding consistency, making professional marketing videos accessible even to small teams. Avoid common mistakes, don't overload effects, simplicity looks pro. Don't ignore Audi.